don't know what day we're on. All the days are melding together.
Day 146.
Day 179. Yeah, I did. Welcome to Made in the Woods. Today is day 13, lucky number 13. That means we're going to get everything done today that we said we want to get done. You guys
work on talking first, and then we're going to do the construction.
Here's a pro tip. Pay attention in English class, okay?
Okay, what are we doing today?
We are putting up our interior boards. We got it from a local guy who cuts all of his own lumber. So it's really nice.
Back of the truck segment. What do we got today?
You can't even see the boards.
No, the back of the truck.
Oh. Oh.
Tools. It's like Christmas.
Guys, we're loaded up. And she's just as muddy as she ever was.
There it is.
That is the interior of our cabin.
It's all really, really nice wood. All cedar, obviously.
Yes, so it's going to smell delicious in there.
Yeah. There's still lots of mud puddles. It's counting. Does that mean it's on? Alright guys, so we got the wood kind of unloaded, half there. And then I took all the trim wood, piled it up over there, obviously, because it's going to go on last. So I'm just going to kind of show you guys what I'm doing. So obviously, because it was just like rough milled, the ends are a little crooked from where I cut the 8-foot lengths for the chainsaw. So I just, obviously, because it's an 8-foot cabin minus 7 inches, so 3.5 for each wall. So I only need it to be 89 inches. So it works out perfect because I can just trim one end, flip it around, and then get my proper cut on the other one. But then, so what I'm actually doing is I run a full length board on the bottom, and then I just grab a full length board again, and I just find where one of the seams are, and then I just run a quick cut, and then it gives the illusion that you're using multiple boards. It's just a simple way of doing it instead of making your job really confusing. Alright, so yeah, like I said, you just put this up. You obviously go halfway in the stud, smash it home. So I'm going to try and put, you can see where it was really burred up on this board, you guys can see that. Obviously I'm going to try and put that at the bottom and the back, so that it doesn't interrupt anything. And there you go. Right tools are like a thing.
I took down the chimney because it needs to be fixed, and we got pretty much 2 walls done-ish. So that is the west-facing wall, and then that is the east-facing wall, so that's done. Nate was able to get most of the front wall done as well. I guess it's the south-facing wall. So we're just gonna finish up this wall now. 84? Is that so? Wow. morning, everyone. It's November 4th, and it is probably at least 12 degrees, maybe even warmer. I'm here by myself today, so it's just me. You're gonna see a lot of me today. I'm hoping to get the majority of, well, I guess the remainder of the siding done. So, as you can see, we smashed out most of it yesterday. The only thing left to do is the ceiling and the far wall in the loft. Maybe some of this water will dry up. We'll see. And by water, I mean mud. I'm just gonna make my coffee. I gotta regas the generator, and then we'll get going.
Nobody's stealing covers. I like to drink to myself, so I'ma have another no. I don't need a hand to hold tight, don't need a love that's all mine. But sometimes I just want somebody to talk to, someone that's on your mind. I want something that's all cool, and it don't waste my time. Yeah, I just want somebody, just want somebody. I just want somebody to talk to, somebody to talk to. I like to drive by myself, so I control the volume. I like to dance by myself, so I can do my own moves. No, I don't need a hand to hold tight, don't need a love that's all mine. But sometimes I just want somebody to talk to, someone that's on your mind. I want something that's all cool, and it don't waste my time. Yeah, I just want somebody, just want somebody. I just want somebody to talk to, somebody to talk to. I wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody that's cool. I wanna have somebody.
Okay, I have 7% left. It is, I think it's around 4 p.m. I ran out of nails, so I couldn't finish the ceiling in the cabin, but
That's Country 103 Sports.
if
The
you can
regional
see
weather
it.
forecast.
Solar day. Solar day is the best day.
Okay, ready?
Ready?
Wow. Too much power.
Too much power.
Put it away.
Okay. Oh, also, I just put up my stand, and look what I found. How exciting is that? I'm 10 out of 10 right now.
It appears we have 2 solar panels, which is awesome.
What we ordered?
What we ordered. Okay, so as you can see here, you have solar panel 1, solar panel 2, battery, and then your lights. So I don't know what the deal that is. We're gonna read the instructions for that. If you strapped it, well, we could really for the winter just strap it to the outside of our thing and it would be fine.
Yeah, I mean, you could always strap it to the very front,
Yeah.
but
Maybe
we'll
just
see.
do that.
All right, final moments here. Got our solar panels just pinned to the wall. You basically just hook them up. It's super simple to hook them up. Anyways, cords in the back, but this is like kind of the final test. It's our little solar center. So that's the charge controller that came with the kit. This is our fuse panel. Like a little mini circuit breaker. So cute, except it's fuses. And they're really tiny.
Okay.
Memphis, did you have a good birthday yesterday? This is called the struggle segment of Made in the Woods.
Yep. It's gonna be a while, Jamie. There's no point in having it.
You guys want to see something cool that's not Nate absolutely freaking out? For the first time last night, we have deer prints. walked across there. There's some more over here. Where did I see it? Oh yeah, over here. Right there. Right there. So they came right in our driveway, which is kind of neat. Another one right there. See if I can get. Oh yeah. Right there. And the old man's probably ruining all the other ones. Thanks, buddy. Thank you. Nate, are you done freaking out? No?
Oh, it didn't work.
You have to strip a little bit more of that. Oh. Why are you looking at me?
I know.
This is the yelling at your wife segment.
I can't we had to strip more off.
First things first. Look at this little pickle. Let's take a good look at his mouth. He is absolutely full of sawdust. We got our solar, and she's ready to rip. As you can see, this is our little panel here. I don't know if it's going to show up very well on my camera, but it says 12.6. The charge controller is currently displaying 12.6 volts, so it's charging. Yeah, so we'll see how high it gets charged up today. There's really not a lot of sun out, but we do have quite a few hours left, probably 3 or 4 hours of, you know, even partial sun left, so we'll see how it gets. Right now, it's up to 12.7. These are all marine fittings, so this is our loft light. This one is those. But yeah, so what I'm probably going to do is throw my phone in here, see how it charges up, see how that impacts this number here. We have 2 more outlets that we have to put in. There's going to be 2 there. So once our table's here, we'll be able to just charge our phones while sitting at the table. Our futon couch is going to be here. So if you're sitting on one side of the couch, you can throw your phone on the charge there. And then obviously there's going to be one in the loft, so whoever is sleeping up there can charge their phone. And then the last spot is here. So this is our last little charging station.
That's it.
That's it. Onto the window.
Not that one.
Onto the window. Morning, everyone. Last night we got here, I think around 8 or 7:30 maybe. When we got here, our charge was at 12.7. And then we used the lights. So we used those 2 lights pretty much for, I would say, 5 or 6 hours. And then we have 2 front lights that we turned on, you know, on and off for if we went outside for ice or whatever. And then this morning we woke up and it's at 12.6. It did get down to 12.5 last night. But I'm thinking like there's a little bit of sun that's starting to burn through the clouds. Maybe it kind of charged up to 12.6. Not too sure. But we're going to see how high it gets today with all the sunshine. We'll see.